Alright, this is part 2 of trying to start this old lawnmower. So, we needed an oil change. If you didn't see part 2, this is what the oil looked like. Using the old shirt because I don't have any paper towels. It's not good, as you can see. But this has been sitting out for a long time and we just got it from this person. So, I'll just try one more time. It's got gas in it, brand new gas. Alright guys, we're gonna try to start it, put it on choke. Oh, come on! I keep getting scared, I don't know why.